Ready to learn the ABCs? It's good to know how to finger spell. It's important because if you see a deaf person signing and you feel like, how to talk to them, you can go ahead and spell the word and they'll give you the sign for it. Suppose you are right-handed. You can use your right hand to do your finger spelling, like DOG. Or if you're left-handed, you can use your left hand to finger spell. But don't ever spell in front of your chest. It's important that your hands need to be relaxed. You don't want to be tense or nervous, but relax and have a natural way of spelling, slightly moving your hands to the next letter. Are you ready to start learning the ABCs? We'll start with A. Your palm out. A. B. Thumb in front of the palm. B. C. Looks like a C. C. D. 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 E. E. Fingers close to your thumb. F. F. G. G. H. H. I. I. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. The three fingers over your thumb. M. N. Two fingers over your thumb. N. O. O. P. P. Q. Q. R. R. S, like a fist. S. T. T. U. U. V. Fingers spread apart. V. W. W. X. Your index finger is hooked. X. Y. Y. Z. Z.